community. So today we will discuss about how to take the EC2 volume snapshot backup in automated way with the Amazon Lifecycle Manager. So let's see. Just log in and get inside the EC2. Okay. Once you get inside the EC2, from the left side you will be able to see the EBS, Elastic Block Store. Okay. So for that, firstly you have to create your instance. Okay, I'm just quickly starting an instance. Okay, these both are in my terminated state, so I'll just launch one. Okay, we'll just provide the name like snapshot backup. Okay, so the UI has been changed from the previous one, so we can use this. Okay, I'm just selecting Ubuntu. As you can select as per your need. I'm just selecting Ubuntu and I'm just selecting the 64-bit. Here T2 micro for free tier eligibility. Okay, key pair, I'm just selecting my existing key pairs. I'm just selecting my one existing key is there. And SSH and all, if you want to provide anything specific, you can allow different IPs and all. I'm not assigning any. Okay, and just launch it. Okay, so mine EC2 has been launched. Yeah. So whenever you create your EC2 instance, you must have seen the volume will also get created, right? So if I see here in storage, see the volume has been also created, right? So the volume is taking a bit to get it. Yeah, it's up now. Okay. So now my instance isn't running and volume is also present and attached state, right? So now what I'll do, I'll just go to snapshot from the left side here. Okay, and I'll just create a snapshot. I'm just selecting volume because we are creating here volume snapshot. If you want to take for instance, you can also take for instance. We are taking volume for the snapshot purpose. Okay, I'm just selecting this volume and this is for snapshot backup. Okay, and I'll create some tag here, backup snapshot or backup volume. We will just keep. Okay, create. Okay, now it is in pending state. In a while it will come into. I'll just make it fast forward so the status can be changed. Well, let's see. Anyway, it is in pending state. It will get 100%. We'll just check the lifecycle manager. We'll just see this for now. Anyway, the automated backups will also happen on the daily basis. So you just have to click from left side on the lifecycle manager. Just come here, take the snapshot policy, click on next step, go to volume, select volume here, select what do you want. I have created one tag, right, in snapshot backup, right, and in backup what was the value? Volume, right? Volume. I'm just clicking on add. So what it does, it will take the same snapshot that we have created, that will get assigned in the, while it takes the automated backups on the daily basis or whatever the time we provide in the next step, it will take this volume as a backup and keep in form of snapshot. Okay, I'm just defining the description like snapshot, and I'm just keeping the role also as an default, and I'm not providing any tag. If you want, you can, and policy status is enabled. Go to next. I just want to keep on daily basis, every 12 hour or 1 hour, whatever you want. In office, suppose like you are working on a prod environment, so you may need a 24 hour or 12 hour time. I'm just selecting suppose 28 hour, 24 hours. Starting at 9 UTC, you can convert the UTC time with IST in if you want to create in India. Okay, and count, retention type count is, I'm keeping 1 count. Okay, and if anything, if you want from advanced settings, you can go and make the changes. I don't want any. Review the policy. Target source is volume. Tag is this. Description is this. This is the role name, and policy is enabled. Okay. Every 24 hours at 9 UTC, it will get done. Create the policy. And it is enabled. Right. Now our snapshot is also in completed state. Right. So we had created the policy, and also with this policy we have attached our volume. So what it will do basically, on the time we have provided the scheduled times, on every 24 hours starting at 9 UTC, it will start taking the backup of our snapshot of our volume, which is, it will keep in the form of snapshot. So whenever suppose any instance is getting down or anything is happening due to that instance might not be up, so whenever we will create the new instance, at that time we can at least use our volume, so the data cannot be lost, right? So this automated snapshot backup purpose is to not lose our volume of our instances and keep the data with us. All the configuration and whatever we are doing on server, those all things will be available with us in form of snapshot, so we can use it for the thing in future. Okay, so yeah, thank you so much.